Okay, so we've got this Boxer 320. We took the bucket off. The bucket's laying over here. And we're gonna attempt to pull out the concrete chain link posts. And I'm not sure how that's gonna work first attempt, so we'll see how that plays out. Check it out. Okay, so that didn't work, obviously. Instantly broke the strap. But if I push it back and forth, hopefully I won't ruin the post. So, first attempt didn't work so well. Okay, first attempt didn't work. Broke the strap right away. Bigger strap, second attempt. I'm gonna wrap this thing around and we'll see if this one works. I'd be a little disappointed if it broke that one, but we'll see. Okay, so that one did work that time. So, check it out. That's probably the easiest way to do it, so hopefully I can finish up these here. So, rock and roll.